Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when the reels in Facebook are lagging. So to fix this problem, go to menu right here, then go down, find settings and privacy, go to settings, scroll down, go to media, then in a video quality options, choose data saver instead optimized. So in that way you can get lower resolution for all videos and the reels stop lagging. Hope you enjoy, guys. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, like and subscribe for more. Bye.